If you spend more than 10 minutes on TikTok, you've definitely seen creators like Dylan Page or Ray William Johnson. And if you know anything about TikTok, you also know that they're making insane money. To be more precise, they're making $1,000 per million views. That's why their every video is 1 minute or longer, because they are taking advantage of the TikTok Creator Rewards program. That's literally thousands of dollars every freaking day. So naturally, I tried to copy them and take the piece of the pie for myself. But there's a big problem. I really don't want to show my face like most of you faceless content creators. So I spent days searching for the best tool to make AI character that will talk instead of me. This was my criteria. It has to look good, it has to sound good, and when you show it to the average TikTok scroller, they can't tell that it's AI generated. There is only one tool that checks all these boxes, and it's Virbo AI. It has lots of cool features like this.
It has very real-looking avatars, and also...
It can make any image say whatever you want.
And it actually sounds and looks good. So, in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you how I make these faceless viral videos using AI avatars. And at the end, I'm gonna send it to my full-time doom scroller friend to see if he's gonna notice any difference, anything weird at all.
Step number 1 is finding the right story or breaking news for our video.
Both have pros and cons. For example, breaking news are much easier to find, but you need to constantly be online and up to date, and you have to be super fast with editing so you can post them on time. Because let's be real, you don't want to post breaking news 5 days after they already happened. Stories are not that easy to find, but you don't need to rush, you can take time to make it perfect. But for this video, I'll just transcribe one of Dylan TikToks and ask ChatGPT to change it up a little bit. So here is the script. It basically talks about a guy that walked from one side of the USA to the another side barefoot for the mental health awareness or something.
Step number 2 is choosing the best avatar for our video.
First, we can choose between image talking or actual avatar. I'm gonna go with avatar, but it mostly depends on what the video is about and what are our preferences. That's why we can also sort them by using different criteria like occupation, lifestyle, education. So if I was making video about yoga, I would use this girl, but for business, I would use this guy. But because I'm trying to do everything like Dylan, I'll also choose a young male with this cool background, which is right here. And you know what's super cool? Later on, if you want to create your own avatar that nobody else can use and only you can make videos with it, you can do that for just $100. Okay, so we chose this guy. Now we're gonna paste script right here and choose the right voice. I think that it has to sound young and clear. I'm gonna go with this one. And now I'll first generate the voiceover to see if it sounds good.
It's hard to believe, but he actually pulled it off. The man who set out to walk across America barefoot has finally reached his destination.
Okay, it's amazing. So we can click on export and get the full video.
It's hard to believe, but he actually pulled it off. The man who set out to walk across America barefoot has finally reached his destination. And the first thing he did? Put on some shoes.
Step 3. Editing.
I've put this video into editing software with some clips from Dylan's TikTok. First, I'll cut any pauses while our character talks just to make it flow faster. And now I'm gonna add these clips in the upper part of the screen all over the video. This was pretty easy, but I feel like it's missing something that would make it different from Dylan's video.
Step number 4 is spicing things up.
So I've decided to do something that I've never seen anyone do before. I will add image of the guy that the video talks about into Virbo AI, and I will make him say a sentence or two about his experience walking barefoot over the America. So I found this image and this quote from one of the news articles, and on Virbo AI, instead of clicking on AI avatar, now we're gonna click on talking photo. And as you can see, there is a lot to choose from, but I like this option the most. Add your own photo. So I'll add our guy, and then it's the same as it was with AI avatar. We will first find the voice that suits him the best. I don't know how this guy sounds, and most people don't, but I think that this one looks perfect on him. Now we click on this button, and in a few seconds we get this.
Everyone feels a little bit uncomfortable sharing their story, but everyone should know that you are the start of the ripple effect.
So now we just add this to the end of the video and click export. After it's done, I'm gonna show it here for you, and I'm gonna also send it to my friend to see if he's gonna notice anything unusual.
It's hard to believe, but he actually pulled it off. The man who set out to walk across America barefoot has finally reached his destination. And the first thing he did? Put on some shoes. After 8.5 months of enduring harsh snow, scorching deserts, sharp rocks, and even broken glass, he made it from LA to New York. His goal? To raise awareness for men's mental health. Now he holds the Guinness World Record for the longest barefoot journey. We salute you, sir, for your determination and the lives you've touched along the way.
Everyone feels a little bit uncomfortable sharing their story, but everyone should know that you are the start of the ripple effect. I want men to know that sharing their story is not a burden. It's actually creating a safe space for other people around you, so they know they're not alone. There's someone else out there.
The final step. Test if it looks real to average TikTok doom scroller.
So at first he just responded with this. Then I asked him if he saw anything unusual, like is it AI generated? And he said that obviously the guy in the end is AI. But what he doesn't know is that all throughout the video there is AI avatar speaking.
Yeah, he didn't notice that I'm not real.
So if you want to use Virbo AI to start making viral videos, check out the first link in the description. And if you want to learn more about printing money with TikTok Creator Rewards program, check out this video. And subscribe because soon I'll be dropping free TikTok training. See you!